here. Somewhere. Hi, good day to all of you. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, May Fine Art. We are here in Luxembourg. This is one of the smallest country here in Europe, and we are here for like one night for our camping, and that's my friend. So this is our camping tent. There. So I'm not so sure if we will fit the whole family. It's a nice weather, it's sunny day, and it's nice to swim in the river. So our river is not really deep, it's up to your knee, and the children are just enjoying. Hi! Noah, say hello! YouTube channel! Hi children! The things of my friend. Hi, Che. So we are here in camping Berkel. Camping Berkel. There are like camping stand flats or place area that you can pay. You can check it in their website. I will drop the website below the description box. And here you can see there's a play area, a little play area. So for us, we paid around 29 euro, 3 euro for a dog. They are allowing dogs here, and for the children, it's like not so sure, but it's all in their website. So you bring your own things, like your tent, you do it yourself, and you can have a nice view of the river, you can swim. The water is a little bit cold, and you can cook barbecue. So we have this, oh, I need to remove because it's... Hey guys, so let's cook this barbecue. I'm cooking pork barbecue. So lekker. Sarap-sarap. Yan. Natin ka. Yeah. Yeah.
Zeg kan meer eens hond. Nee, nee.
Au. Drake wilt meespelen.
Ja, dat kan goed, maar dan kan hem geen... Kijk, hij is juist hetzelfde als Noah. Als hij begint, dan weet hij niet waar hij gaat hem overdrijven. Hey.
Swimming, swimming.
What the fuck?
Are you vicious habang-bangen? Yeah? Stenen, vicious. Pasok met the stain, eh? Hi! So that's our camping area. My friend. Hey! Hey! Gayuli dat going pasup eh? Pasup eh? Like...
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so.
Mura siya ka ng pang-honeymoon bitaw. Camping in your car. And bring all of your utensils. You can cook. Ha? Micro camper. You can cook. See? Garden plants.
Tagantad na ko may kanang basilikum diri tanim para ang ibot ano ko. Pero ano na ko mas mabutang.
The campsite is open this year from the start 2021 from the 15th of April until the 1st of October, and it is a smaller camping site that consists of 60 places, half of which are fixed season places. The camping site is located near to the river Sure. During summertime, a shallow river becomes a playing paradise for children and a nice refreshment for everybody. The sanitary facilities have separately 2 showers and 2 cabins with washing basins. There is a refrigerator for general use, specifically for those who are camping with a smaller tent. Washing and drying can be done at the reception desk. In a part of the farm, a recreation room has been accomplished called the herberg. You can find a bar inside where activities are being organized on a regular basis, such as bingo, evening, karaoke, disco, or a playback show. A pool table and a darts board are present for general use, as are puzzles and games for children. There's also a beamer, so in case of bad weather, a movie can be showed there. Furthermore, there is a small library where books can be borrowed and exchanged. Drinks can be had outside on the terrace in front of a cozy fireplace. Next to the terrace, there is another recreational area where you can find a ping pong and a soccer table. On the camping site, there are several playgrounds, including a trampoline, and almost every evening a cozy fire is lit in the big campfire circle around which everyone is welcome to join. All pets are welcome, but dogs have to be kept on a leash. There is Wi-Fi available around the recreational area next to the reception. Our experience with this camping is absolutely nice. We enjoyed our barbecue time. The children are very happy playing in the river, and I have a nice cozy time with my friend. So it doesn't cost really much to be happy, isn't it? So guys, I will put in the description below the link of their website so you can check it yourself. Good morning. Lake is Lapnok. It's raining. Ja.
Ik ga onder de.
Ik ben eerst eten.
Angela!